with my girl Olivia from Brits on Model Cycle 6.
Hi, you right, babe?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you enjoying yourself at So Organic so far? What's the vibe like?
Yeah, so far so good. I haven't been here very long, but it's really busy. I'm loving the music.
Wicked. And will I see you on the dance floor later?
Of course, I'll be right behind you, babe.
So what DJs are you looking forward to hearing tonight?
Carlos Aries.
Well, I'm sure he's up soon, so, you know, you'll see Olivia on the dance floor when Carlos Aries is playing. And I have the privilege of being with the Mr., the only DJ Majesty. DJ Majesty, what's the vibe like?
The vibe's alright, you know. It's a good vibe, like, it's early still, but people seem like they're on it. They're coming to do a thing in it, so it's a nice vibe.
And you've just played, so if you wasn't a DJ and you was a dancer, do you think you'd be the first person on the dance floor if you heard yourself?
Obviously, like, I like to set trends in it, so I go there, I just do my thing, bubble and just be on the vibe, innit?
So,
Like you though,
DJ Majesty, I can dance, like, I got it going down.
5 out of 10 for that one.
Guys, how's the turnout been out tonight? What do you think it's
Good. A lot of nice female, a lot of nice female. Let's just say one word, superb, innit?
Super, I like that, super. So you said there was a lot of nice females, am I one of them?
Yeah, of course, number one. Yeah, you know.
No, I like that. Other than DJing, because we know you do that best, what else do you do?
Well, I'm a qualified English teacher, but my dad taught me how to do hair, and he passed me down his hairdresser, so I'm a hairdresser day to day.
So what vibe at the moment do you think So Organic is bringing?
DJ Majesty, definitely.
You're liking him a lot, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
I can see by that smile. And you, Amelia?
Lady B, Carlos Aries.
So I'll expect to see you on the dance floor when he's on there.
Yeah, baby.
Yep, I'm DJ Majesty, bigging out So Organic, big promoters every time, lovely vibe. Also, I want to big up www.hectictv, one and only.
I've got that feeling, baby.